Gorilla Post System, drivable soil-based delineator for grass, dirt, and gravel installation. This unique soil-based delineator kit contains all the components needed for installation. The tools you'll need: permanent marker, hammer or a heavy mallet, scrap of wood. This is to protect the top of the square metal tubing. A portable drill with 3/8-inch socket. Determine where to install the base. Consider the distance a vehicle can extend from the parking space. Mark the desired depth, leave about 2 inches of tubing above grade for easy attachment of the delineator. Line up the metal tube to your desired orientation. Place the scrap wood on top of the tubing and pound the tubing, leaving approximately 2 inches above ground level. Do not hammer directly on the base. If it gets bent, the spring assembly will not fit into the tubing. Screw in each hex screw and washer through the perforated square tubing into the spring assembly and tighten until snug. Test your installation and add a sign.
Installing GPSA sign adapters for single or double-sided signs. Use the Allen wrench to firmly tighten each of those 4 set screws. Place the bottom edge of the sign into the channel, then firmly tighten using the Allen wrench. Your completed Gorilla Post with your attached sign and GPSA adapter is now ready to use. If you have any questions, please contact us at gorillapost.com, ParkingZone.com, or call us at 1-800-292-7275. We are available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday.